On today's fix, we have a misfiring engine. And we're gonna get our scanner and show us this code. We have P0303. What does that mean? It means cylinder number 3 is misfiring. And now we're gonna confirm it by looking at the live data. So it might take a while. Let's just let the scanner do its thing and show us what's misfiring from what's not. And you know what? This is just a $3 OBD2 scanner, but it does a lot of job. It saves a day for me. And as you see here, general misfire data we have a lot, and only cylinder 3 is not the 0%. We have 23%. To properly start a car, we need 5 things: air, fuel, spark, compression, and timing. But on our case, it shows cylinder number 3 is misfiring, so we switch coil pack 3 to coil pack 2 and see what happens. For this Ford Focus MK2, all you need is a 9mm socket and your favorite ratchet. And I'll fast forward things because I don't want to waste your time. Right after replacing coil pack number 3 to coil pack number 2, it shows a new code, which is a bad ignition coil. Now, why did our code change from P0303? It's very simple. The computer is confused why is this happening, and it pops a bad ignition coil because it lost track of the P0303 or the third cylinder, and we confirm it's a bad coil pack. That's simple. And to fix the problem, I got myself a new coil pack. And as usual, get good quality parts and compare it to the old one. Make sure it's an exact fit because the last thing you would want is to get the wrong part and it messes the whole time and F's you up. So without further ado, it will look from this to this. Have reset the computer, so yeah, it will still have this few tweaks. Now take a time and pause your screens. Look at the difference between the general misfire data from your left and right. Now it's time to reset the ECU and let's see what happens. After resetting the computer, it's now to test if there's still a code. This may take some time. And yeah, we don't have any misfires. It's now time to check the live data and see if we have no misfires. And it's time to test drive. Now at this point, you must be sure that your car is alright. Like, always do a test drive because the last thing you want to happen is get stuck in the middle of the road. The car is acting normal, there's no vibrations, there's no unnecessary noises, and it feels really smooth. was really running bad. It was jumping RPMs, it was nearing dying and all. So that's it. Thank you so much and watch for the next episode.